Hey there. Ever wondered about that certain smell, the one that's sometimes associated with herpes outbreaks? That's right, I'm talking about how to get rid of herpes odor. I'm here to break it down for you, step by step, and trust me, it's easier than you think. Let's dive right in, shall we? But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! So, you're probably thinking, what's up with the odor in the first place? Well, here's the deal. This smell usually happens when the herpes sores get infected with bacteria. Our bodies are full of bacteria, you see, and while most of them are friendly, some are not. According to a study by the Harvard Medical School back in 2018, when these not-so-friendly bacteria enter a sore, they can cause an unpleasant odor. Now, to the million-dollar question, how to get rid of herpes odor. First things first, let's keep it clean, folks. Washing the infected areas gently with mild soap and warm water is your first line of defense. Remember, gentle is the key word here. You don't want to irritate those sores any more than they already are. This is where topical antibiotics enter the picture. The kind folks at Mayo Clinic pointed out in a research piece in 2020 that topical antibiotics can really come in handy. Apply these directly to the sores to fight off those naughty bacteria causing the odor. After washing and medicating, keep the area dry. Bacteria, you see, love damp environments. So, by keeping things dry, you're taking away their playground. Use a hairdryer on a cool setting to avoid causing any discomfort. And here's another player in the game. Oral medication. A 2021 study from the Journal of Clinical Microbiology shows that oral antivirals can reduce the severity and frequency of outbreaks. So, hey, not only can they help with the odor, but they can also keep those pesky outbreaks at bay. Before we continue, folks, if you're finding this information helpful, go ahead and subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Your support really does make a difference. Now, you might be thinking, what about moisturizers? Well, using a scent-free moisturizer can help soothe the skin around the sores, but remember, it's scent-free for a reason. You don't want anything too harsh on those sensitive areas. And finally, let's talk about the grub you eat. Did you know that what you eat can affect the smell of your sores? According to a 2019 review by the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, foods high in sulfur, like onions and garlic, can contribute to body odor. Now, we're not saying to ditch these entirely, but maybe ease up on them during outbreaks. And that's a wrap, folks. That's how to get rid of herpes odor. So, let's show those not-so-friendly bacteria the door, shall we? Now remember, folks, always consult with a healthcare provider for personalized advice. We're all in this together, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.